Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DaVinci Resolve for lens distortion correction, full guide step by step clearly. To configure DaVinci Resolve for lens distortion correction, start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve. Navigate to the edit page at the bottom of the interface. Import the clip that requires lens distortion correction by dragging it into your media pool. Select the clip and drag it onto the timeline. Next, go to the color page by clicking on the color icon at the bottom. In the color workspace, locate the OpenFX panel on the right side. Click on OpenFX to expand it and search for the lens distortion effect. Drag the lens distortion effect onto your clip in the node editor area. If you don't see the effects panel, click on the FX library icon to enable it. After applying the effect, you will see a new node appear in your node tree. Click on the newly created node to select it. In the inspector panel, you will find the settings for the lens distortion effect. The first option is distortion, which adjusts the overall amount of distortion correction. Use the slider to increase or decrease the distortion correction as needed. Next, locate the center settings to adjust the focal point of the correction. You can move the center point horizontally or vertically to match your lens characteristics. If your lens has vignetting, you can adjust the vignette settings under the same effect. Use the vignette slider to correct any darkening at the corners of the image. After making adjustments, play back your clip to review the changes. Fine-tune any settings as necessary to achieve the desired look. Once you are satisfied with the correction, switch back to the edit page. Export your project by navigating to the Deliver page when ready. In the Deliver page, set your format and destination settings. Finally, click on Add to Render Queue and then hit Start Render to save your corrected video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.